What is up, YouTube? Man, we are headed out for a lunch fishing session today.
Sipping on my lean and I'm
Man, needless to say, we went out yesterday and we had probably the best fishing lunch break I've ever had in my days of doing this. And my GoPro decided that it wanted to act a fool, and something happened with my white balance and it was all kinds of screwed up. It's either a turtle. Oh, that's a fish. Ooh, that's a good fish too. That's a good fish. That is a good fish too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, we're gonna try it again today. We're gonna hit the same spot again that we hit yesterday and hope that potentially we can have another really good day. We landed 7 fish yesterday, which is by far the most I've ever gotten in one session, at least in all the videos that I've been posting. So it was definitely exciting. I landed 2 3-pounders, 1 4-pounder, and 4 that were a little over 2 pounds. So I'm hoping we can have another day similar to that, if not better. So we will find out when we get there. Again, this spot is just down the road a few minutes, so it won't take us long to get there. But as soon as we get there, we are going to switch it over to the GoPro and we are going to roll right into it. Literally all just stacking up in this corner over here, and they keep coming right back. So we'll keep clearing this area till we wipe them all out. Here's a bite. There's one. There's one. Ah, he let it go though. I think he just had the end of the worm. See if we get one off the edge of that. There's a little point that comes out right there under that tree. There it is. Pretty sure I did. I lost my hook again? Dude, what the heck is up with that? Man, oh my God, the same thing happened yesterday. There we go. Here's a good bite. See if he comes back for it. He's got it. Got him. That is a really good fish. Come on, bro. Yeah, you ain't getting off this time. Not with that braid. Come here. Oh. Ooh, yeah, there we go, baby. Solid catch right there on the wacky rig. Solid catch on the wacky rig, baby. Look at that right there. That is a decent fish right there. It's probably about a good 2.5 pounds. Let's get a weight on him real quick and then we'll throw him back out there and go back out to our next spot. Let's see what we got. Look at that. 2.7. That's solid. We'll take 2-pounders all day long. Take 2s all day. That is a solid fish right there. But let's get him back in the water. And yeah, right there. All right, wacky rig. Go back over there in that corner again. I knew there was one over there. I mean, we had just seen one swim right over here off this edge that was decent. That may have been the same one. And yeah, we've been playing this line right here. There's a rock ledge that's right here that's coming off the edge of this embankment. And I mean, this water right here is probably about 2 feet deep going up to this drain. And right off the edge of that right there is a point that comes out. And that's where we literally just pitched it out past that, kind of brought it back a little bit, let it fall to the bottom, and that's where he came to get it. So they seem to be all over in this area. When we walked down to the edge over there, there was a handful of them and just stacked up in that corner. That one might be a little guy. I'm just messing with it. Testing the waters. He didn't commit.